quick intro. Not going to spend a whole lot of time. Like I said, quick intro. This one here is a 2010, obviously, Dodge Grand Caravan. This is what I'm looking at. More to it, more to it, more to it. Bear with me, bear with me. Let me get a light. This is one of the classic "Can you see what I see?" We lost a rod going down the road, ladies and gentlemen. So this poor fella here, like I said, we lost a rod going down the road. This engine here, what I'm going to do here is we're going to obviously do a quick swap-a-roo. Bring you out here. My little Kubota monster here has got the replacement for it hanging on the forks right there. So I've got I had the heat on because of that extra heater on because of the door being wide open. I wanted to show this on camera. I'm gonna have to set the engine off the side, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera for just a second and go ahead and range around so I can close the door. Don't want to heat the outside. Whoa, big noggin in the way. So, in my humble opinion, and that's just one man's opinion, these Chrysler 3.3 liter engines, they're junk. About like the first generation 3.6 GMs, junk. Junk, not in the sense they won't run, junk in the sense that can keep them running. But never mind, that's neither here nor there. Part of this video, we'll get right to it. Part of this video, or well, maybe most of it, I haven't made a decision yet what I'm going to do. Here's why. Real quick, I know y'all don't like me explaining a whole heck of a lot, so we'll go through it real quick. I haven't made a decision yet whether I'm going to go from the bottom, from the top down, or from the bottom up. So with other words, I have not made a decision whether I'm going to lift the engine out or drop it out from the bottom. Realistically, that can come out of the bottom very, very easily. However, the video is, in my opinion, again, that's my opinion. I don't know your guys' situation, or most of you that watch my channel, but I can only assume you're working off of a jack and jack stands and all that good stuff, and coming out of the bottom of something is really not a viable option. But I also think that some things that I'm going to be doing, if I decide to go from through the bottom, you can still see what needs to be undone and hopefully it'll help you form yourself a little bit of better opinion on what you're going to have to do. So, anyway, enough to talk. It's evening right now. It's getting a little bit later. I just got back with him. I actually went and picked this one up. Had to pick the car up. Had to pick the van up. Had to pick the engine up. So it is a little bit later. To be continued, part 2 tomorrow. I'm out. Don't like the noises we got going on, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm not hired to do anything about the noises, but I wanted to, I said I'm out. I'm not quite out yet because I wanted you guys to see this. Ain't this a pisser? I get hell, I need to learn how to operate with them camera here. Check out these chintzy little battery clamps. I mean, they're sheet metal. You flip the lever, you unhook the battery. Well, ain't that sweet? Them things here are not worth 5 pennies. I mean, it's sheet metal. You probably pull on it hard enough, it'll probably break. I've seen it all now. I had to share this. And by the way, this is probably going to be the first ever YouTube video where somebody actually does nothing. This is just an introduction. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see me remove this engine, because it is going to be a little bit lengthy video. You know, well, I'm going to be filming it anyway probably, but I may or may not upload it later on. So do it as you do. Leave comments. Know where to put them. Like, subscribe. Do it as you do. Till next time.